welcome back to another video. And I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that this is going to be the dyno video. So I'm on my way to the workshop now. I just washed the car, so my plan was to actually go to Goldbach and buy some parts. There's a couple of things that I just want to replace, and I know that they have stock of those things. It's like simple things like my clutch pedal, rubber, like simple stuff like that. But when I got to the car, it was so dirty. So last weekend really, I mean, it was a lot of driving, so the car was filthy. So I just gave it a wash, and now I'm like hot and flustered because it's really hot. But anyway, yeah, I'm really hoping that we can see some numbers today. I'm not really trying to like expect too much. Hopefully I'm surprised by what it makes, but if not, we'll throw some more mods at it. Okay, so we are going out to do some road tuning. Jamil's dyno is currently occupied, so unfortunately we can't see any numbers, but we'll just turn up the boost a little bit and see how it does. So it's currently on 1 bar and it feels really good, like it feels healthy. So I think we're going to turn it up to 1.4 bar just so that the turbo doesn't work too hard, because I think at 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 it's out of its depth, it's not happy there and end up with more issues.
Literally riding the boost cut. Literally riding the boost cut. But I didn't hear it picking, so.
The picking and the surging. Smoother, yeah. So I can feel the.
It's not great by any means.
That felt better. Yeah. What was that little pop at the back? Is that something in the boot? Like, what is that? Could be something in the boot, just falling around.
Boot, yeah. It wasn't on the car because I see nothing on the logs. So Yeah, that was like. So as you get high in the RPM, it throttles the whole boost, so you have to ramp the duty cycle.
Okay.
So it peaked at 4,400 and hit 1 bar, which is actually decent.
Yeah.
And then at 6,600 it hit 1 bar again.
Okay.
It's like 1.1 bar and then 1 bar. So I've ramped it, so it goes from 60% to 70%.
Okay.
So theoretically it should keep the boost flat.
So the goal is to hit and hold 1.4 bar.
Yeah.
What's the rev limit at the moment?
Should be 7.1, but it hit 6.6 as per usual.
I don't know what's up with this car.
And it is super weird. How does it doing that? It's like surging.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It shouldn't be surging because I'm on closed loop, so. Why am I surging?
That felt really strong.
That was good. That was 1.45.
Okay, yeah, that felt good.
I had edit corrections turned on, so that was awesome.
Yeah, that felt really good.
But turn it down slightly because it's riding very close to the limit. But I'll bump timing for you like 1 degree.
Okay, cool.
Well, the boost literally sits flat on like 1.4. Clutch, slipping.
Oh my word.
You can still chase him though if you want to.
That's not good. So it's not doing us any favors. Okay, so weirdly enough, Andrew was saying his weight in the car is going to make the car feel slower, and it actually did. It actually makes a massive difference. He said that he sorted out, or hopefully sorted out, my rev limit issue. So the car's been revving a lot lower than it should be. At about 6,600 it hits the limiter. So I'm going to do a pull now, and hopefully it revs all the way to 7,000. I'm really hoping. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be doing that. That is banging quite a bit. Huh. I'll do a third gear pull. Oh my word. Holy moly. That bangs off the limiter. But wow, I would love to know how much power it's making now, because it feels, this feels strong. Maybe it just feels it, but wow. Kind of like that little bang bang, but bang bang is not good for the turbo. So I just sent Andrew a message. Need to look, I need to sort that out when it's on the dyno. So I think that's the next step, is put the car on the dyno, see what it's actually making, and just clean up. Jamil can clean up whatever, because dyno controlled environment is going to be the best way for that. Second gear pulls are so much fun. So yeah, the car feels great. I think it's making a little over 220, but you know, like the bump dyno could be off at the moment, because I haven't driven this car at full power for a long time, you know, so I could be a little deceived. But it feels good. So now I'm ready for the next robot racing. I'm just gonna run the car on pump fuel, and just my goal right now is just seat time and learning the car, you know, so I can actually just get the most out of it. So we had some clutch slip on the N7 and it seems okay for now. I don't know, maybe it just had a moment, or it was just too much load in fourth, you know, because like usually I'll be running it through third into fourth, so it won't be like from a lower RPM, and I'm hoping that's okay. But I don't plan on, this is the one way, I don't plan on changing my clutch anytime soon. I really am in way too deep for 2021. 2021 has been, it's been wild. So things didn't quite go the way I planned today. I was really hoping we'd get the car on the dyno, but it is what it is. At least I know that it's pulling fairly well. So yeah, like I mentioned, next step is to get the car on the dyno and see what it's actually making, and then just clean it up. I'll put the engine mods and stuff in the description below, so you can check that out. But yeah, it's basically just a stock 1.80 with rods and cams in it, and yeah, we're just tweaking it, getting it better. That's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots of pulls, which is fun. I enjoyed that. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.